Hello everyone, the weather forecasters promised us a very pleasant day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. My name is Derek Ray. With me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and England defender Lee Dixon. And we're in position and ready to bring you live action from the German top flight, the Bundesliga. It is Bayern Munich facing Eintracht Frankfurt.
Well, thank you, Derek. All the talking is done. Time now to put the coach's plans into action. Let's hope both teams really have a go at each other from the start of this match. It should be a cracker.
This should be very enjoyable. It's Bayern who get things going. Crisp tackling. Here's the initial 11 for Bayern. Manuel Neuer begins in goal. David Alaba plays with Jerome Boateng in central defence. And leading the... And a chance for them to nudge in front. And the ideal finish from the Bayern point of view.
What a goal that is. It was just a matter of time before it happened. Well, look at this again. It's all about being in the right place at the right time. And from that sort of range, there's only one winner.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. Underway they are again, and it's Bayern with the lead. Leon Goretzka. Serge Gnabry. Goretzka. Now with Lewandowski. Great opportunity. And it's two for him today. A masterful performance. The defenders unable to stop it.
Well, there's all types of goals, spectacular headers, overhead kicks. This is a simple one, but it still adds up to a goal on the score sheet.
Well, a second goal for them here. Slipshod passing. Goretzka. Müller. And is this the moment for Lewandowski? And with that, they've thwarted the opportunity. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. Well, they seem to be onto something positive, but it faded away. Lewandowski. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Will it be? And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick.
Well, when he's in this sort of mood, he's absolutely unstoppable. What a performance. Well, here's the replay. You have to say it's been a thorn in the side of the opposition all match. It's a good finish and a richly deserved hat-trick.
Well, sadly, we have to conclude that this hasn't really been a contest, but all credit to any side committed to scoring goals like this. Lewandowski. Müller. Lewandowski. Goretzka. Well, it's goal after goal after goal. Just no end to this. A brilliant display.
Well, you tell youngsters in that position just to hit the target. You can't score unless you do. And on this occasion, he does, and he scores.
Well, it has been one-sided, but they deserve the plaudits for the fact that they've kept going and going. They've given it away. This is Müller. And the emphasis is on creativity. Lewandowski, shot attempted. Can he finish this? And he scored not once but twice. They simply cannot stop him, and no wonder he's enjoying himself.
Well, here's the replay. The keeper's made a save, but it's not good enough. It's back into play. He was first to react, and it's in the back of the net.
We're underway again, and this game was finished as a contest a long time ago. Chandler. Well, that's the kind of player you want from your defender. Good technique displayed, and he's broken free. What a high-quality stop it was.
Well, look at the speed he sets himself, Derek. He gets ready and makes a really good save.
And over comes the corner. Gnabry! Serge Gnabry. Kimmich. And scope for them to produce something exciting. And over the touchline for what will be a Bayern throw-in. What's he going to do here? Müller. Not what he was intending. Bad pass. Well, he's given it away. Simple save for the keeper.
Well, he had to pick the fly to the ball up, that was all. Got behind it. Good save.
Here is Thiago. Serge Gnabry. Can he put it away? And the ball is in the net.
The crowd have gone crazy, and quite rightly so. What a finish that is. Well, here it is again. It looks a simple goal. He gets in a position not that far out from goal, but he has to hit the target. He does that, and it's in the back of the net.
The ball rolling again in what has been an utterly one-sided match. Won it back. Lewandowski now. Leon Goretzka. Goretzka. And space for the cross. And he takes it on. Well, they would have been in a decent position there, but offside.
Oh, what a wasted opportunity that is.
Goretzka. Lewandowski now. Goretzka. Manoeuvring his way forward. And they've only gone and applied that finishing touch. Well, the goal will not stand. It is offside.
Yeah, good football there, but just straight offside.
Müller. Lewandowski. Gnabry with it. Well, it's forward momentum for Bayern here. What can they do from this position? Gnabry. Defending of the highest class to stop him. Thiago. Beautifully weighted ball. And this time it's in.